Hey Google,
Tell my laptop to play rain effect.
Okay, let me try to play rain effect.
hey Google,
Tell my laptop to play Christmas effect.
Okay, let me try to play Christmas effect.
hey Google,
Tell my laptop to play party effect.
Okay, let me try to play party and fight.
Hi, today I want to show you how to use Google Assistant to control the Twinkly Light playlist. First of all, you need the playlist. Uh, I've created some of them here called Party and Rain and Dots. They are all in CSV file. How to create them? You can check out my previous video, which show you how to create playlist with GIF files. What you need is a software called Push to Run. I will put the link in the description. How does this work? Push to Run is a Windows software. I've installed it on my laptop here, and on the other side is my Google Assistant. My one is a JBL link view, and the request will go through the if this then that service, which will trigger one of the service. I've got an older video showing setting up this using the push bullet, but my push bullet account is no longer working. This time I'm trying the pushover. The service will push a text to the PC, and push to run will react accordingly and run the command on the PC. In our case, it will run the gifSequencer, which I showed in the previous video, and that one will change the playlist for the Twinkly Light. According to this website, Pushover is cheaper than the push bullet after the free trial. This is once-off fee, but I don't know the details. I am still in trial. The next thing is you have to follow the push to run instruction, and it's very important to follow the order. First, you have to register with Pushover, and then run the push to run software, then go to the if this then that website to set up your applet. Let's assume you already registered with Pushover, then you install the push to run software. The next step is you have to go to push to run, go to options. On the left hand side you will see Pushover here, then authentication. So you have to enter your password. After that, Pushover will generate a device name with this string. If I go to Pushover website, this is my account here. It's already generated here. The next step, you have to go to the website if this then that to create an applet. You can find all the details in this website. At the moment, I just want to give you a quick look so you have an idea what you are expecting. So in the if this then that website, you can create a applet. I just want to show you the one I have created already. So this is if this is the then action. So if I open it, you can see I say, what do you want to say? Tell the laptop to do something. The dollar is a placeholder. Or I can say, tell my PC to do something. And this is the response. Okay, let me try to do something. This is just repeating what I have said above. So let's go back. Then the next one is I've already created here, the pushover. This is very important. I'm selecting this string. So because it's already created in pushover account, that's the reason you have to follow the steps exactly here. Otherwise, you won't be able to access certain thing if it's not created. I'm not going to show you the details how to create action and so on. I've got an older video. There's more details in there. I just want to show you the action I have created and how it triggered the Twinkly playlist. I call this a Twinkly effect, and this is the text come from pushover. So plays whatever after play, it will take as a variable, and this will be used in the script. And this is the parameter for the script. The comma here is a very tricky syntax. So basically, it will replace the space with comma, so and make it many parameters. So and the script will take the first parameter. That's the reason you can see at the beginning in the demonstration, it will ignore whatever after that, only take the first word. Now I want to show you the script. So this is the script. You can see I put the IP address for the Twinkly light here, and this is my device. And I will show you why do I need the Google Assistant device. This is a gifSequencer executable. This is the location where the GIF files are. And now here there are the CSV files. So basically, it will take the keyword here. For example, if I say play Christmas playlist, it will take the first word Christmas and find the CSV file here. And if I say play party effect, it will pick the party.csv because it always take the first word, and that's the reason in the beginning you can see it will ignore whatever after the word party. So it's alright that Google Assistant can really understand me correctly. So now this is checking the playlist. If there's a playlist, then it will run the gifSequencer. And here I'm using the software Cast as well. What does Cast do? It basically send back audio to my Google Assistant. There's also a description here. So this is under push to run, and here is also showing you how to download the Cast software and how to use it. And you can see I'm checking the input here. If the input is party, and I'm going to play the audio file as you have seen at the beginning. And here is if the playlist doesn't exist. Let's try it out.
Hey Google.
Tell my laptop to play unknown playlist.
Okay, let me try to play unknown playlist.
Unable to find unknown playlist.
So at the end, I also want to let you know the version of my software. I'm using push to run 4.3 and Cast is 1.4. My Windows is Windows 10. You have to be patient to get all these things work. This is not really a tutorial. This is more like a demonstration show what you can do, but how you can do that, all the details, you have to go to the website, have a read here. This is really good instruction here. If you have any question, just feel free to post in the comment section. I will try to help you. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, please give me a thumb up. Thank you for watching. Bye.